Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm starting by the name of Allah, who is intelligent, merciful and especially merciful. This is my son. I'm a student. I'm in class 5. Today I would like to recite the Holy Quran. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. صدق الله العظيم. First of all, thank you so much for joining this presentation. So take your foils. I will see you another day. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you so much for reciting the Holy Quran properly. And we will pray for him so that he can recite the Holy Quran properly the next time with a nice tune. So, সম্মানিত সুধী, এই পর্যায়ে আমাদের সামনে ইংরেজিতে একটা প্রেজেন্টেশন পরিবেশন করবে আমাদের সপ্তম শ্রেণীর ছাত্র মোহাম্মদ তামিম। তামিম come here and deliver your presentation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. A very good morning to you all. I'm starting by the name of Allah, who is entirely merciful and especially merciful. This is Tamim. I'm from Muktagasa. I'm in class 7. Today I would like to talk about some questions. Here I go. What do you eat? Apni ki khan? Why do you eat? Apni kothay khan? When do you eat? Apni kokhon khan? What time do you eat? Apni koytar shomoy khan? How many do you eat? Apni kotogulu khan? How much do you eat? Apni kotogulu khan? How do you eat? Apni kibabe khan? Beside what do you eat? Apni kisher pashe khan? In what do you eat? Apni kisher moddhe khan? With whom do you eat? Apni kar pashe khan? On what do you eat? Apni kisher upore khan? After what do you eat? Apni kisher pore khan? Last of all, thank you so much for listening this presentation. So you take care of your health. I will see you another day. Have a nice